Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm really excited to launch a Zoho One full training program for 2019. I want you to learn everything you need to know to make your company great with Zoho One. Take everything in your company and move it to the Zoho One application, to the Zoho One platform, and do everything in your business through Zoho One. They call it the one app, the operating system for your business, because there's 40 plus apps all within the one subscription that's going to do everything for you. You know, you can do. I won't go through every Zoho one. Honestly, if I've done this, this is the second time I've recorded this. I can show you exactly every app, but I'm not going to go through it. But you can have all the apps for sales, the CRM stuff, all the stuff for marketing, talking to people, social media stuff, getting surveys answered, ticketing, support, customer service, remote access, emails, chat apps, project management apps, again, internal social networks, presentation, webinar apps, productivity stuff, e-document signage, and then finance. You can do your accounting, invoicing, inventory, and all sorts to do with the finance aspect. Human resources, tracking all those CVs and job recruitments and sick days and vacation, everything in human resources. And finally, some analytics and some customization apps that help you connect to other things that you may be using. So I'm going to do full training for my partners. So what that means is, if you sign up via my partner link, I get paid a commission by Zoho. Part of your subscription comes to me. So when you sign up via these two links, z1trial.com for USA and outside of the EU. If you want to sign up in the EU, sign up for go to z1trial.com/EU. It's just a different place where the data centers are. You get the same support, the same apps, everything the same. So z1trial.com. When you sign up via my link, you're going to get a 30-day trial. So if I click on it, you're going to get a 30-day trial of everything Zoho One, everything you need. It's not a very pretty sign up page, but that's the link they give me. It's the exact same as clicking up here and sign up now, except their version's a little bit prettier. Try Zoho One for free, no credit card. It'd be cool if my link actually said that, wouldn't it? I'll have to tell them. Try, welcome, sign up for Zoho. It's the exact same. You're getting 30 days free trial for 10 users. 10 people can sign up, and you can edit and change it whenever you want after that. So my job in the first 30 days is to give you all the training, everything you need to set up your Zoho One, so that your team love it, that your team are saving time, that your team are more productive, and your company runs smoother. You've got better communications with your team. You've got better communications with your customers and your prospective customers. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a lot of training, a lot of videos, but also we're going to have a Facebook group and a forum. I've got the same page open there, haven't I? We're going to have a Facebook group for just Zoho One members, just people using Zoho One. We're going to have a full group where you can ask your custom questions. You can ask, there's 40 plus apps. You're going to have questions. You're just going to have to, you're going to have questions that I haven't covered, or you can't find the video that I've covered. So what I'm going to do is, you're going to ask a question. I'm going to point you to, the part of the forum. Go click here, or here's a link, or go to this video in the training. We'll got the curriculum down here. I'll send you to a link of the training where the video will be, and then you can comment in there. I will give you every aspect of communicating with me on whatever you need. So we've got 30 days, and then when you sign up, whatever subscription pricing you sign up for, I get paid by Zoho because you're a partner, and then we'll continue all the way through 2019 to make sure you get the most out of it. We'll be constantly evolving, constantly getting better, and doing everything we can to make sure that you're happy, that your staff's happy, that your customers are happy, and you look like a professional outfit, a professional business, or a more professional. I'm sure you already look professional, but you're just moving on to that next level. And with Zoho One, everything's in one app, everything's in one place, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. I'm going to give you tips and tricks, sort of, that this is what I would do, or don't forget this feature, or don't forget now that connects with that, and all sorts of fun. It's going to be a lot of learning, but your business is going to fly through Zoho One and everything it can do. So stay with me. Sign up for ZohoOneTrial.com. Watch the next video, depending on where you are, as we go through the trials setup and we begin to use all these apps, and I'll show you around. Any questions, as always, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.